Welcome to the Railcar Initial Inspection Training. In this training you will be performing the first of two inspections. The purpose of this inspection is to locate and document obvious issues, to ensure the nomenclature on the railcar is valid and adheres to official guidelines, and to replace faded or damaged signage. For reference, this inspection is taking place on July 5, 2024. Move to side B of the railcar to start the inspection. Confirm the brake air lines are attached with the glad hand connectors. Check the brake line valve is open. Check the railcar couplers are properly connected. Inspect the railcar frame for extensive damage. Light damage is often caused by car coupling, and is expected to happen over the car's lifetime. Check the red placard. Make sure it has the correct UN number and class number. In this case the UN number is 1075 and the class number is 2. This placard is not legible. Remove the ripped placard from the holder to replace it. Grab a new placard from the stack to the right of the placard holder and replace the ripped one. Next you'll be inspecting the rear truck. Move to the left side of the railcar. Check the hazmat placard. Check the first wheel. Make sure there are no significant bends or inclusions on the contact surface. Inspect the bearings for cracks or breaks. Inspect the brake shoe for extensive wear or cracks. Check the second wheel. Inspect the brake shoe for extensive wear or cracks. Make sure all the springs are seated in their housing and undamaged. Move to the right side of the railcar to inspect the other half of the truck. Check the hazmat placard. This placard is not legible. Remove the faded placard from the holder. Grab a new placard from the same stack as before and replace it. Check the first wheel. Make sure there are no significant bends or inclusions. Inspect the brake shoe for extensive wear or cracks. Check the second wheel. Inspect the brake shoe for extensive wear or cracks. Make sure all the springs are seated in their housing. And next you'll inspect the railcar number, which is posted on all four sides of the tank, and the capacity. The capacity is located on the ends, sides A and B. Make sure the numbers all match and are easily legible. Move to side A of the railcar. Inspect the hazmat placard on side A. Next you'll be inspecting the front truck. Move to the left side. Inspect the hazmat placard. This placard is not legible. Remove the faded placard. Grab a new placard from the stack to the left, on side A. Check the first wheel. Make sure there are no significant bends or inclusions on the contour. Inspect the brake shoe for extensive wear or cracks. Inspect the second wheel. Inspect the brake shoe for extensive wear or cracks. Make sure all the springs are seated in their housing. Move to the right side of the rail car to inspect the other half of the truck. Inspect the hazmat placard. Check the first wheel. Make sure there are no significant bends. Inspect the brake shoe for extensive wear or cracks. Inspect the second wheel. Inspect the brake shoe for extensive wear or cracks. Make sure all the springs are seated in their housing and undamaged. The wheels and springs on this side of the truck are damaged. In an actual inspection, this will be included on your report, and the railcar owner will be notified. Inspect the inspection due dates. Confirm the railcar is not overdue for any inspections or maintenance. As you can see, the service equipment and PRD valve checks are due. Like before, this would be included on the report and the owners of the railcar will be notified. Inspect the right side warning labels. The print must be Inspect the 6 yellow tapes on the right side of the railcar. Inspect the right side plate C label. Continue to the left side of the railcar. On the railcar's left side, inspect the inspection due dates. Make sure they match with the right. Inspect the left side warning labels. The print must be around 4 inches tall and be completely legible. Inspect the yellow tape on the left side of the railcar. Inspect the left side plate C label. Return to the platform, where you started the training. You've completed the initial inspection of a railcar. You can read a summary of the training on the results screen. When you're ready, you can exit the training with the Continue button on the results, or through your watch.